Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's section, we are going to see how to install Chrome on Ubuntu 22.04 version. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. It was released in 2008. It is used for accessing the internet and running web-based applications. The Google Chrome browser is based on the open source Chromium web browser project. At first, I am going to check OS version. I am using Ubuntu 22.04 version. Now I am going to download Chrome by using wget command. Chrome has been downloaded. Now I am going to install using apt install command. Chrome has been installed successfully. Now go to Show Applications. Here is Google Chrome. Open. Here asking for make Google Chrome default browser. If you want Google Chrome as your default browser, then mark the checkbox and click OK. Chrome has been installed and successfully opened. Click Get Started. If you want to add bookmarks, select otherwise skip. If you want to change the background, choose or skip. Click Continue to.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.